What's up, everybody? This is Long Lever. We had torrential downpour yesterday, and this isn't normal. We've had this problem once before. This is why this is torn up, but water in my basement is just peachy. I can show you. This is all the hunting clothes that I drug out of my room last night. Standing water in here. Just sewage everywhere. But I'd rather walk in bare feet in this crap than get it all in my shoes and waste my shoes. So hopefully I'll have a video up later tonight. A couple of paracord items. Otherwise, don't know when.